The 36-inch folding trampoline from Stamina Products is a fun, convenient way to build endurance while shaping and toning your calves, thighs, glutes, and hips. The trampoline's heavy-duty rebounding surface is built to last so that you can enjoy a low-impact workout as often as you'd like to. Instead of springs, durable, stable tension bands attach to the rebounding surface. The safety pad around the perimeter keeps you safe during your workout. While you're jumping, the rubber-tipped legs will keep the trampoline steady and also protect the floor. When you're done with your workout, the legs detach and the trampoline folds for easy storage. Have fun, shape up, and build endurance in the comfort of home with the Stamina 36-inch folding trampoline.
Welcome to Impex. This is the Marcy Trampoline, an amazing piece of cardio equipment for low-impact training. Let's take a look. Before we start using our trampoline, let's take a look at some of the great features that come included. During intense workouts or to add balance to your routine, hold the stabilizing bar to remove the upper body component while exercising, so that you can focus on the lower body. Additional safety features include a protective cover over the rebounding bands and 6 legs that provide amazing stability when rebounding. Because the bands absorb most of the impact when you land, jumping exercises are a lot easier on the joints. Finally, when you're done with your workout, fold the trampoline for easy storage.